Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to remove duplicate photos using cleanup. So let's get started with the video. Launch the application. Here you will see a section of duplicates. Just click on that duplicates under similar. So once you click on that, a window will come. You need to click on let's go. So basically here you will find all the duplicate photos, the ones which are exactly as others. So these are the duplicates photos that are available particularly in my photos right now. What I need to do is click on delete duplicate. After that, once I click on this delete 3 duplicate, this window will appear. To confirm, I need to again click on delete. This window will come which will say congratulations, the duplicate photos has been deleted. Click on great. So this is how you can remove the duplicate photos every time using the cleanup application. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.